We all hear about data breaches and data leakage that expose millions of users' data daily. But do you know what that means to any individual? What are the differences between data breach and data leakage? And how can we identify data exposure that impacted us? You will get the answer to all these questions by watching this video. Let's start with what data exposure is. Data exposure is when unauthorized people get access to our data. The cause of data exposure determines whether it is a leak or breach. Data breach and data leakage are often used interchangeably, but there is a notable difference. Data leak occurs when an internal source exposes data. For instance, 900 plus Google Firebase website exposed over 124 million data records due to misconfiguration. And Cybersecurity, a popular parenting app, exposed over 300 million private user data due to misconfiguring of log server. However, data breach occurs when an external source exposes data in a cyber attack. For example, at&t cyber attack caused 70 million past and current customers' data exposure, and Rocco's cyber attack exposed 576,000 accounts information. Regardless of the cause of data exposure, it has a significant impact on our life, leading to various negative consequences because our private information is on sale in a hacking forum. If our private information such as name, address, phone number, email address, and birthday are exposed, that can lead to identity theft. Identity theft is when malicious actors use stolen personal information to impersonate individuals. Our personal information can be used in fraudulent activities such as opening new accounts, applying for loans, or committing crimes in someone else's name. If sensitive financial information such as credit card details or bank account number is compromised, it can be used for fraudulent transaction or unauthorized access to funds. We may be left dealing with the consequences, including financial liabilities and the burdensome process of recovering our money. To check if your data was exposed in data breach or leakage, I suggest Malwarebytes Digital Footprint Portal. It's free of charge and easy to use. The tool analyzes your digital footprint on the internet and dark web. You can go to the portal, enter your email address. It sends a verification code to the given email address. After verifying your email, it will search on internet and dark web. It presents the graphical result on the portal. You can click on See Your Data Breach to get concise information. The tool has the possibility to check for your involvement in at&t breach. If your data is exposed in at&t, you will see the pink bubble with the details of type of information that has been exposed in at&t breach. Also in the summary, you can see the sign of at&t if the source of exposure is at&t breach. To mitigate the impact of found data exposure, take a necessary action such as change password to unique strong password and enable multi-factor authentication. If your bank account has been exposed, contact immediately to your bank. Data exposure are often caused by poor security controls or processes. It's important to be cautious about sharing your personal information online and with third parties.